Hello and welcome to the next video in a series of how-to videos for Arteco. In this one we're going to explore how to add users to an Arteco server. So once you've gotten your Arteco server installed and licensed, then you want to log in as the default administrator user, which has a username of administrator and a password of 1234. And click connect to log in. And so now that we're logged in, we want to add users to the server, so we want to be in the setup environment and then click on the server that we're adding users to, and then click on the Users tab in the middle pane. Now we can see all of the available users that are added to this system. So currently, by default, just the administrator user is the one that's added, and it's the one that we're logged in as well. So in order to add new users, what you want to do is fill out the fields below and click Add. So I'll type in last name, first name, and username, and then I'll decide what rights to give myself. So as a general rule of thumb, administrators have full rights to the system, so they can access the setup, recordings, and live environments. The power users, by default, can only access the live and recordings environment, so they lack setup capabilities. And then users only are able to log in and view the live environment. So they can see recorded video, but only as it pertains to live events. So I'm going to give myself power user rights for our purposes here, and I'll type a password for myself. And you'll notice that when I choose power user rights, I have the ability to either enable or disable cameras for this user. So if I don't want this particular user to have access to cameras 1 and 2, I can uncheck their boxes there. This is contingent on your Arteco server license, so if you don't have this feature, ask your sales rep. And once I've gotten all my information entered in there, I can go ahead and click Add to add that user. As you can see, it's added here in the top. So if I want to edit anything in this user's settings, then I can click on it there, and I can edit any of the fields below. I can provide a new password if I know the old password. I can change its rights. I can change the username and the last and first name as well. And I can also change the available cameras that they have access to. And once I've gotten everything set up that I want, then I'll go ahead and click Save to save that user. So it's a good idea after you've added a user to try and test that they can log in. So you can right click on the server and then click Log Out, and then right click again and log in. And so we'll add we'll connect with that user and then the password that we gave it, and then we can either hit enter or click connect to try and log in. So there we go. Now we're logged into the server, and as you can see, since I gave it power user rights, I lack the ability to do anything in setup, but I can search for recorded video, and I can see live video as well. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for future videos. Have a good one.